Getting a flat in your lifted Jeep or truck can leave you feeling deflated. But not having a jack that can reach, that is so much worse. The Rhino Gato hydraulic jack is a must-have. The main body is crafted from robust aircraft-grade aluminum. Not only does it look sleek with its charcoal anodized finish, but it's built to handle the toughest off-road conditions. The Gato boasts maintenance-free hydraulic technology for quiet and safe operation. With 9 double-lugged locking points, you can trust it for maximum lifting strength and security. And the finger lift access makes handling this jack easy. Now you might be wondering, Gato, what's that all about? Well, Gato is Spanish for cat, and this thing takes its name from the feline world for a reason. Imagine a cat effortlessly climbing a tree. That's the inspiration behind the Gato hydraulic jack. It's designed to lift your vehicle with the same ease and precision. With a durable black powder coat finish, the handle ensures easy handling and control, making your lifting experience a breeze. The Gato comes equipped with a single action relief lever. This gives you a controlled and safe descent. So whether you're a seasoned off-road warrior or just getting started, the Rhino Gato hydraulic jack is here to improve your lifting experience. If you want to know more about the Rhino Gato hydraulic jack, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.